Honda CB500, 1994 to 2003, review. Reliable twin-cylinder engine. The Honda CB500 Twin was launched way back in 1994, aiming the machine firmly at the commuter sector. If only they knew just how successful it would become. It's been toured on, dispatched, there was even a 24-hour endurance race held at Le Mans where every team finished without a breakdown. Honda UK even had its own national race series, the Honda CB500 Cup, launching the careers of WSB racers James Toseland and Leon Haslam. The Honda CB500 is a first big motorcycle you'll never want to sell. It's huge fun because it's so confidence-inspiring, meaning you can take it anywhere and it'll make you feel you can push your limits. Very competent, commuters and couriers love Honda CB500s for their reliability and all-round, top-notch performance. In all aspects, the Honda CB500's a winner. Ride quality and brakes. Everything is stable and friendly, meaning the rider can hone their skills whilst chucking the Honda CB500 about with wild abandon. It's comfortable, the suspension's okay, the gearbox is smooth, and both slow and high-speed handling are excellent. Very versatile, the Honda CB500 will cruise up to 90 miles per hour on the motorway without a fairing. Engine. The Honda CB500 motor's incredibly smooth with loads of power across a broad range. Even more fun. There's an unexpected surge of wheelie just after 8,000 RPM, which makes the Honda CB500 take off. Power delivery's clean from a responsive throttle. Furthermore, the Honda CB500's very reliable and you can rack up the miles with little care. Reliability and build quality. So good, we almost need a fanfare. Honda CB500 engines go on and on and on, as many a courier will tell you. Weaker points are the easily rusting downpipes and short-lived exhausts. Otherwise, the Honda CB500 is pretty damned good, far more refined, and with far more longevity than its rivals, see below. Value versus rivals. Excellent. The Honda CB500 is a hugely versatile machine that'll surprise you with its ability. Competitors, such as the old Kawasaki ER5 or Suzuki's GS500E, may be slightly cheaper but don't have the quality or the extra horsepower of the Honda CB500. Be wary of ex-training school/race bikes. The Honda CB500 had its own series, which have been dropped/crashed a lot. Equipment. Nothing too flash, the money went on the Honda CB500's chassis and the engine, just well thought out and well built. The Brembo brakes work wonders. The Honda CB500 clocks are large and clear but very basic. A good seat with a decent amount of room for a pillion, too, and there's a grab rail. Comfort's good overall on the Honda CB500, but it can be cramped for giant riders. Specs. Engine size 499 cubic centimeters. Engine type 8V parallel twin, 6 gears. Frame type tubular steel cradle. Fuel capacity 18 liters. Seat height 775 millimeters. Bike weight 173 kilograms. Front suspension 37 millimeters fork, preload. Rear suspension preload. Front brake 296 millimeters disc. Rear brake 240 millimeters disc. Front tire size 110/80x17. Rear tire size 130/80x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 50 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £73. Annual service cost £100. New price. Used price. Insurance group 9 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 57 brake horsepower. Max torque 35 ft-lb. Top speed 120 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 13.2 seconds. Tank range 200 miles.